Welcome to the Peer Mentoring in STEM training. We are excited that you have joined us. This training was created in part by the team at the Ohio LSIMP Alliance. The Ohio LSIMP Alliance is a program of the National Science Foundation. The overarching goal of our program is to diversify the STEM workforce. The goals of our training are to build the foundation for academic and social success, provide students with access to resources, develop interest and engagement in STEM disciplines, and to strengthen relationships between students. In this module, we will define peer mentoring. We will also outline the characteristics of an effective peer mentor. We will understand the role and responsibility of peer mentors. We will reflect on the benefits of mentoring. You will start this module by completing a pre-reflection. This pre-reflection will examine your past mentoring relationships. You will outline and describe your most impactful mentoring relationship, as well as your least impactful mentoring relationship. You will describe qualities, skills, and behaviors of good mentors. Next, you will watch a brief video introducing and outlining to you the role of peer mentor. This video will focus on impactful characteristics of peer mentors, holistic mentoring, and the do's and don'ts of mentoring. This module has one assignment. In this assignment, you will outline the values you deem most beneficial to establishing and building a mentoring relationship. And finally, you will respond to a mentoring scenario which will allow you to begin to develop your mentoring skills. Let's get started. Click what to work on to begin the module.